Yeah.
What?
They're so cool.
Yo, how much are these?
Hi.
I don't know what they're expensive, really.
Hello there.
I want to buy my mom one.
$3,000.
$3,000? Hell yeah, I bet.
Look at him. Look at him go.
Look at that one. You're so fat and fluffy.
Stop, Victoria. Look at it. Look at him.
Videotape this shit right
I
now.
am. He's showing off for us.
Faster. Fuck it. He's gonna, if he was out of this cage, he'd fuck me up.
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Oh my god, he keeps going faster. Me and this bird are like fucking interacting right now.
Oh, you know what that means? You know what that means,
What does
right?
that mean?
It like they're it means the
Does that
no.
mean they're mad?